Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Eclecticism in the interior is a style of combination, a competent combination of the best details of several interior styles. Modern eclecticism is a general concept in design. It is used to create a truly unique separate space. Modern eclectic interior design is a captivating fusion of various styles, eras, and influences that come together to create a harmonious and dynamic living space. This design approach celebrates individuality, creativity, and a curated mix of elements, resulting in interiors that are both visually intriguing and deeply personal. At the heart of modern eclectic interiors is the artful juxtaposition of diverse elements. Imagine a sleek and contemporary sofa paired with vintage armchairs upholstered in vibrant patterns. The combination of clean lines and eclectic accents creates a sense of balance and contrast that defines the eclectic aesthetic. Texture plays a pivotal role in modern eclectic interiors, adding depth and tactile richness to the space. Mixing materials such as wood, metal, glass, and natural fibers creates visual interest and dimension. Textured rugs, plush throws, and tactile fabrics further enhance the sensory experience, inviting touch and exploration. Color serves as a powerful tool for expressing personality and creating mood in modern eclectic interiors. Bold hues, subdued tones, and unexpected color combinations coexist harmoniously, adding vibrancy and personality to the space. Whether through accent walls, statement furniture pieces, or decorative accessories, color becomes a key element in defining the eclectic aesthetic. Art and accessories play a crucial role in infusing modern eclectic interiors with character and charm. Eclectic artwork, from contemporary paintings to vintage prints, adds a layer of visual interest and personal expression. Curated collections of decor items, travel souvenirs, and found objects contribute to the eclectic narrative, reflecting the homeowner's unique tastes and interests. Furniture selection in modern eclectic interiors is characterized by a mix of styles, shapes, and eras. Mid-century modern pieces mingle with industrial accents, traditional elements, and global influences, creating a curated feel. Each piece tells a story and adds to the eclectic tapestry of the space, contributing to its layered and multidimensional appeal. The key to achieving a successful modern eclectic interior lies in striking a balance between cohesion and contrast. While the space may feature a diverse array of elements, thoughtful editing and curation ensure that each piece complements the overall aesthetic. A cohesive color palette, consistent scale, and strategic placement of furniture and decor items help create a sense of unity amidst the eclectic mix. In essence, modern eclectic interior design celebrates the beauty of individuality, creativity, and self-expression. By embracing a curated mix of styles, textures, colors, and elements, modern eclectic interiors become vibrant and dynamic reflections of the diverse personalities and interests of their inhabitants. It's an invitation to create spaces that are as unique and eclectic as the individuals who inhabit them.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!